Do you know you can get to 1,000 subscribers in 24 hours? On this video, I am going to show you how to get your 1,000 subscribers in 24 hours. The thing is, there is a new technique now that new content creators use in for them to get their subscriber faster. But the thing is, they are not sharing it. They are making it secretive because they don't want to expose it, and they don't want it to get spoiled easily. So that is why they keep it secret. They make it secretive. But I am going to expose this secret now on this video. Even if you have more than 1,000 subscribers on your channel, and you think you need more subscribers, maybe your subscriber has been down for a while now and you think you need to upgrade your subscribers, this video is actually for you. This video is for anyone that desires to have more subscribers on their YouTube channel. Without much ado, let's go into the details of this video. Welcome back to my channel. If you are coming across my channel for the first time, on this channel I teach on how to grow on YouTube, how to get more subscribers on YouTube, how to grow your channel on YouTube, how to get your watch hour. Feel free to subscribe, like, and turn on the notification bell so you get to see more of my videos. And if you're a returning subscribers, I want to say a very big thank you to you. Thank you for watching my content. Thank you for the comments. Thank you for the likes. Thank you for sharing my content. I really appreciate you. Now, let's go into the details of making this. So to make this strategy, we are going through two steps. The first step is how to apply this strategy, and the second one is the do's and don'ts of the strategy. So if you want to get the details of this video, make sure you watch the video from beginning to the end so that you don't miss the main purpose of the video. You can't just cut the video halfway without getting all the full details of the video, and at the end of the day you start saying it doesn't work. No, for it to work for you, you need to get everything. You need to know how to apply this, and you need to know what you should not do when you are making this video. So now let's go into the details of making the video. The first thing you need is your smartphone. With your smartphone, go to your YouTube channel, and please make sure this is the channel you want to grow the subs on, the channel you want to promote. So when you get to your YouTube channel, the next thing you are going to do is you're going to tap on the home button. Here you will see videos YouTube channel shows on your feed. The next thing you are going to do is look for a short that has a lot of views, a short that went highly viral. Just be checking the shots one after the other and pick the one that has the highest number of views and engagement. So now let's look for short that has a lot of views on my channel. This is the channel I want to grow the YouTube on. So now let's check this particular shorts and see. This is a short video. Now let's check the number of views this one have. So this one have like 6 million views. It is not enough for what we want. So now let's go to another video to see the number of views it has. This is another short video. Let's see the number of views this one have. This one have 528 million views. This is good, and 1.7 million likes. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on the last button here. When you click on the last button, it will bring you to this interface. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to click on collab. When you click on the collab option, this interface will show. This interface will show by playing all the videos. So what you are going to do is make sure you drag the section from beginning to the end so that all the videos will show. No section will be left out. So once you are done with that, the next thing you are going to do is you are going to tap on the next button. It will go to processing interface and it will bring you to this interface. What you are trying to do here is that you are trying to collaborate with the videos that goes viral. And by doing this, the algorithm already knows that this video is a viral video. And by collaborating with this video, you have a high chance of your channel going viral with the video. Your channel have 95% of going viral with this video. The video you are using here have over 5 million plus views that already watch this video. You will get out of that 500 million plus views, at least you get like 100,000 viewers that watch your video. You will get a good number of subscribers to your channel. So once you are done with that, the next thing you are going to do is you are going to tap on this option, the third option here, which is layout. Once it brings the layout option to you, choose the layout you like, but it is advisable that you choose the top layout, which is the third one. Click on it, and then when you click on the top layout or any other layout you want, you click on the mark button. Here we have it. The next thing you are going to do is you are going to react to this video. And how do you do that? You react by recording. But while you are recording, you don't need to say anything or make any sound. The only thing you are going to do is you are going to click on the record button. So once you click on the record button, all the video will start displaying on your screen, and then you place your phone at a distance and allow it to record. So this red button here is the record button. So now let's react to the video. Now. Now. It is as simple as that. After you are done reacting to the video, tap on the next button and it will ask you to enter a details. Enter the details you want and upload this to your YouTube channel. And for the record, this is 100% allowed by YouTube. You will not get a copyright strike for this because you only reacted to a video. You are not claiming ownership to the video, so you don't have to be afraid that maybe YouTube is going to give you a strike or whatsoever it is that might be getting you afraid. This is 100% free and supported by YouTube channel. So once you are done, make your orders adding that you want to make put it in public, not for kids, or if it is something the kids can watch, leave it in it is made for kids, and then upload it to your video. I hope you enjoy watching this video. For quick results, you need to do these three things at least. The first one is upload videos as much as possible, at least 2 to 3 videos in a day. When you upload your first video, give it at least 3 hours interval, upload another one, upload like 3 to 4 videos in a day. That's the first one. The second one, when you get to the interface where you have to enter the title of the video, make sure you enter the original title of the video you uploaded. I don't know if you get this. You know this video is not your own original video. You are reacting to another video that went viral. Make sure you use the exact title that the original poster used that made this video to go viral, and see how quick your subscribers will be. And the third one, the last but not the least, is when you want to upload a video, make sure you react to a video that goes in line with your niche. If you are into food content creator, use a food video that went viral. And if you are into maybe entertainment video, make use of an entertainment video that goes viral. So these are the do's and don'ts of the video. Just make sure you follow all these things step by step and see how fast you are going to grow your subscribers. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you learn 1 or 2 things from this video. If that is true, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on the notification bell so you get to see more of my videos. Bye. See you in my next video.